Do you mind if? Unleashing politeness in English. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning video. We hope you're having a fantastic day so far. We are going to focus on a very important part of conversational English, especially when it comes to making polite requests. Today's topic is using "do you mind if" with verbs in the base form. Are you excited? Let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of this phrase, let's first understand what it means. When we use "do you mind if," we're politely asking someone's permission to do something. It's a friendly way of saying, "Is it okay if I?" or "Can I?" Remember, it's essential to maintain this politeness, especially in formal contexts or when you're talking to someone you don't know very well. The great thing about "do you mind if" is that it's usually followed by a verb in the base form. The base form is the basic version of a verb, without any endings like ing, ed, or s. For instance, run is the base form of running or ran. Here are some examples of how "do you mind if" is used with base form verbs. Do you mind if I open the window? Do you mind if I use your phone? Do you mind if we leave early? Notice how the verb following "do you mind if" is always in its base form. When someone asks you, "Do you mind if?" there are several ways you can respond. If you are okay with the request, you can say, "No, not at all." "No, go ahead. Of course not." If you're not okay with the request, you can say, "Yes, I'd rather you didn't. Actually, I do mind. I'm sorry, but that's not possible right now." It might feel a bit confusing that we use "no" to agree and "yes" to disagree. But remember, the question is asking if you mind or have a problem with the action. So saying "no" means you don't have a problem, and saying "yes" means you do. And there we have it. We've successfully learned how to use "do you mind if" with verbs in the base form, and how to respond to this polite request. Keep practicing these sentences and responses, and you'll master this skill in no time. Remember, polite language can open many doors. So, keep learning, keep practicing, and as always, keep it polite. We hope this video has been helpful for you. Until next time, happy learning!